Hey, online shoppers, are you thinking about grabbing a deal from Venoro.shop? Well, hold on, I've got some serious tea to spill about this website. Here's the deal. As of January 2026, Venoro.shop is sending up more red flags than a clearance sale on broken traffic lights. Independent watchdogs and risk analyzers are calling it out as highly suspicious. Some even label it a full-blown scam. First, let's talk trust scores. Multiple reputation tools rank Venoro.shop at the very bottom, putting it in the unsafe zone. And who owns this place? Nobody really knows. The domain registration is locked up tight, hiding the real operators. Major warning sign. Plus, the .shop extension? That's a favorite trick for scam sites trying to look legit, while actually planning to disappear overnight. And get this, the site just popped up recently. No history, no track record, nothing to prove they deliver what you pay for. Now, about those unbelievable prices. If it looks too good to be true, it probably is. These deals are classic bait for cheap knockoffs, or even worse, no product at all. Here's where it gets even sketchier. People who bought from similar sites in late 2025 and early 2026, think Noviroa.com or Vornup.com, reported getting junk shipped from China, or never got anything. Complain, and suddenly, you're blocked on social media. So, what should you do? Before buying, hunt for real customer reviews on places like Trustpilot. Check if there's a legit address and working phone number. Poke around their social media. Are comments open and real or invisible? And if you already paid and got ghosted, call your bank or credit card company ASAP to dispute the charge. Bottom line, don't risk your cash or your info on Venoro.shop.